akong sanay sa pangakong napuputol, sa mga salitang nauuna pero
Big box with clothes and hair.
Yes. Aren't you going to use it in your outing with your family? Aren't you going to use it when you go out with your family?
No, not really. Only.
I think it's nice. It's good. You will make a lot of children happy. Yes.
Galing mag-English pa Eds ah.
I play for a clown.
Ah, that's why you are very good at making good. You have a good humor.
Can I show you the clown?
Sure.
How many years?
Oh, when I was 5, I started already.
And look for a bit. That's your job in there.
Yes.
And,
Grabe English.
how long did you work for that job?
I think 35 years.
Oh, grabe.
Long time.
It's very long.
So long. It's much.
Ayun oh. Oh.
It's longer than my lifetime. I'm just
sure
30
it
years
is.
old. You're also a drummer. That's nice.
It's on a car, and then I drive it in the mall.
Is that, you know, Ron the comedian?
Ron comedian, clown.
Did you make that?
Playboy. Oh.
Filipino friend is making that.
Ah, yeah. You have an editor.
Oh. Oh. Ang galing eh. That's your editor?
This is the editor right there. Where's your friend?
I don't know where he is now. Somewhere in Asia.
Magaling din mag-edit eh no? Oh.
Who's that?
Sayang no, hindi sila nagkita na no? Sa editor niya.
Is that in Norway?
It is in Holland. Holland, yeah.
Holland. Why did you cut your mustache?
Oh, I've many of mustache. So many.
It's so good.
Oh, di ba? Apex din eh. Diba?
You're reading mo na. Wow. It's grandma.
Di ba?
Your jokes look a lot like Mr. Bean. Yeah. It's similar.
Oh. That's the moves of Mr. Bean.
Yes,
Oh.
that's how Mr. Bean's joke is. Similar. Yeah. I watched that when I was growing up. It's
This one is nice. I was about 26 there.
26 years old.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I thought that
Very young. Your abs is very
your let's say if you're look
Siya yan?
Yeah, I look good, eh?
Bagsik pala ito ng
It
kabataan.
was in the theater for about 800 people.
you look handsome, grandpa.
Theater in Holland. About 800 people sitting there.
Why are you painting your
Yeah, just watch.
body. Is that in front of the stage?
800 people nga daw.
Wait mo sa baby.
Mm.
Wow. What's that? Is that a house?
Don't talk. Just watch.
Alright. Masang arabo ng bata siya. Can you still do that?
Not like that. A bit, yes.
Let's see. Let me see. Kaya pala lumaki ang tiyan ni Lolo.
All the people there are laughing. And next day were wet chairs.
I will not do that.
Entertainment pala talaga itong tao na to.
Sure. I think that's the reason you got loaded. Look. It's amazing.
Ang hirap kaya magpapagalaw-galaw sa tiyan, di ba?
Oo.
Hmm?
Bata pa rin siya, laki na ng tiyan eh.
Mm.
Ang nakakabit kay Lolo, ang laki ng tiyan niya kahit bata pa siya. 26 years old, laki ng katawan niya.
26.
Ba si Grandpa? Ay, napanood. You already watched that? It will blow up. It blow to your mouth. It got blown.
Good, eh?
That's good.
Na-editor talaga siya eh. Sayang, nagkahiwalay sila, no?
Dance. Dancing.
Watch it to the right. I come from the right side. Wait, here.
Is that you?
That's me. Yeah.
Where are you? Your partner is quite strong. Your partner is quite strong. For you. What are you doing?
Ang galing
People
talaga nito.
laughing.
Maraming alam to.
You're wrestling. You're wrestling. Are you fighting? Diba tayo?
Lumaki akong sanay
Picture! Picture!
sa mga salita ng
Picture!
Natuto akong magmahal ng may distansya, para kapag umalis ka, hindi na masyadong masakit. Bawat yakap may reserbang takot, bawat ngiti may nakatagong luha. Pinili kong huwag umasa, kasi ang umasa madalas nasasaktan. Hindi mo ko pinilit maniwala, hindi mo rin ako hinila. Nanatili ka lang sa tabi ko, hanggang kusa kong sumuko. Sabi ko, hindi ako para sa pag-ibig ng puso ko'y sanay ng masukatan. Pero dumating ka, tahimik at sinira ang mga paniniwala ko noon. Ayokong umasa, ayokong mangako, ayokong umibig ng ganito. Pero sa lahat ng batas na ginawa ko sa sarili ko, ikaw lang ang nilabag ko. Kita ko sa mga mata mo ang pagod, parang alam mo na kung paano masaktan. Kaya hindi ka nagsalita ng habang buhay, mas pinili mong patunayan sa araw-araw. Tinanggap mo pati ang katahimikan ko, pati ang mga gabing hindi ako okay. At sa unang pagkakataon, hindi ako tumakbo palayo. Hindi mo hiningi ang tapang ko, hindi mo binura ang takot ko. Minahal mo ako kahit gano'n, at doon ako lalo pang natakot. Sabi ko, hindi ako marunong manatili, na ang puso ko'y laging naghahanda sa wakas. Pero sa bawat paghawak mo sa kamay ko, parang gusto kong sumugal kahit masakit. Takot pa rin akong masaktan, takot pa rin akong maiwan. Pero laban sa lahat ng takot ko, ikaw lang ang pinili ng puso ko. Alam kong kakayanin ko. Sanay na akong maghilom mag-isa, sanay na akong magpanggap na buo. Pero kung may isang taong handa kong ipaglaban, kahit nanginig ang kamay, ikaw yon. Kasi ikaw lang ang dahilan kung bakit gusto kong maniwala ulit. Para sa pag-ibig, hanggang dumating ka at pinatunayang mali ako. Hindi kita hinihingang mangako ng walang hanggan. Huwag mo lang akong iwan sa gitna ng takot ko. Hindi ako perfecto, hindi rin matapang, pero kung pipili ulit ang puso ko, sa lahat ng pwedeng masaktan ako, ikaw